At this point, if you're spending an excessive amount on makeup with everything that Dollar Tree has came out with, like, you just feel like spending your money because they got some hits at Dollar Tree right now. And you're talking to someone who, I don't care about the price. If I want it and the quality is there, I'm gonna get it. So if you're still spending all that extra coin and with the big brands and at Sephora and all that, it's just because you want to. Okay. Hey guys, welcome. I am like ridiculously excited. I never thought that somebody like me, who is so heavily into makeup and skincare and all that, would be so excited and going to different locations of Dollar Trees looking for an L.A Colors launch. Let me tell you, if you saw my last video, I was only able to get the L.A Colors Pumpkin Spice. These are so cute. And I wore this for a week straight. Every single day, I made my look with this. Love it. The pigment, you guys know I work long hours. It lasted the full 13 hours. So I went to another Dollar Tree location and I was able to grab Everything Nice and Sugar and Spice. So I think it's only 3. So they look similar like when you hold them together, but this one is Pumpkin Spice. This one is Everything Nice. Let me see the difference in the colors. And this one is Sugar and Spice. I am so excited to try it. And then on top of that, because I just feel like I know these are going to be bomb, just like this one, I saw a whole display of new lip liners and lip crayons, and I grabbed, let me see, 4 of the lip liners, and this is called Fearless. They may look like similar in color, you know, on camera, but that one is Fearless. This one is called Always. So this is more of a red, and this is more of like a muted mauve. And then this one is called With You. And this is more like kind of burgundy brownish, something in that area. And this one is called Miss You, and this is more of a brown mauve, if that makes sense. So I got those lip liners, and then I also got 4 of, what are they calling these? Oh, I'm sorry, these are eyeshadow sticks. I thought they were lip crayons. So this one is called Grace. And this is like a cafe latte kind of color. And this one is called Mad Love. As you can see, it's very red. This one is called Gorgeous. And that's also like in the red family, but darker. And this one is called Romance. And they kind of all look similar when you, let me see if I put them together, if you can see the difference in the tone. They're not like all super duper different, but they're really cool, and I'm definitely excited to try these. So I already like have a look in mind. I already put my base down, and yeah. Let me jump into, I think I want to use the darker one. So let's go with Sugar and Spice. I think that's the darkest one of the 3 palettes. It has the 3 darkest shades. So let's get this one open. And I can't believe that these are just $1.25 a piece. Like, as someone who has spent more money in Sephora and Ulta and at all these big brands, you know, more than I can remember or count, but a whole lot. My makeup collection is insane. To get something of such great quality for $1.25 is like very exciting to me. Very exciting, because it's not like I'm ever gonna stop buying makeup or using makeup. That's not gonna happen. So that's so exciting, and these were so good. And let's see, I'm just gonna jump right in. My base is on, my brows are on. I'm gonna go in with the lightest one, and these they don't have like individual colors, so it's just the name of the palette is Sugar and Spice. So let's start with that one. And it's not like there wasn't a ton of fallout on the first one. And I wanted to try the other ones because just because, you know, you try, even if the colors are in the same palette, ow, oops, sorry, sometimes they won't perform the same. So let's tap off any excess. I'm just gonna match. I'm using a big, what brush is this? This is a blurring brush. This is by Moda. I thought it was Real Techniques. Moda has some good brushes. Real Techniques, they're getting up there in price. So this color is like pretty much the same color as my lid, maybe like half a shade darker, which is fine. So I'm just putting it all over. I need a smaller brush to get in. I want to put this color on the inner part. That's one of my cats. That's Mr. Chunky, being himself. And it's a nice sheen. I'm gonna really try to get in there. Like, I cannot complain about the pigment on these because these give off the same amount of pigment and perform the same as my Tom Ford palettes. And if you know about Tom Ford palettes, I believe the price has gone up. I think when I was making my collection, depending on where I got them from, they were about $88. Yeah, so these are $1.25 and they're cute. And yes, the packaging is, you know, cheaper, but it's not like super cheap, and it's cute. It's cute. I am not ashamed to display this in my beauty room at all. And just get more of the shimmer just because I want a little bit more sheen. You can see it in the light. I'm trying to use daylight instead of my beauty room light so we can get it in real light. So can you see that? It's a nice whatchamacallit. I'm gonna get a little blending brush to go in with the darkest color for the crease. I gotta be careful with that because they do have a punch. See that? And that's after I tap some off. These are so good. Like L.A. Colors, they just Dollar Tree as a whole, and the brands that are in there: L.A. Colors, Ione, La Mercerie. I got some pieces from there also, and I believe that one is fairly new. They are coming for the higher end brands, and the higher end brands, they need to be afraid if more people venture out and decide to give these brands a try. And as someone who I've got everything from Danessa Myricks, Pat McGrath, all the way down to lower brands. And I'm telling you that this is more than worth it, and you should definitely give it a shot because it really is. I think I want to add just a little more shimmer. I'm going to use the big brush because it's denser, and because I really want to get a good layer of the shimmer. And just blend it. Get it, see? Just a little more. You can make cute little looks for $1.25. So like, what are we doing? What are we doing? Why not? Why not? You will not catch me, you know, going and buying any higher end palettes. And you can build the intensity of this. This is just where I feel like I might just intensify the crease a little bit more with a darker color, but these are buildable. If you want to do it intense, remember, I didn't put down any eyeshadow primer. So you can build the intensity. They also had eyeliners with this, but the eyeliners were gone. So that sucks. I got one the first time. It was a brown, and that one wore very well also. I'm not big on like brown eyeliner. I really like, you know, the black. It makes my eyes pop better for my preference, but It was nice. And I swear this is such a light look, so delicate. But this is what the higher end like palettes give. And that's what's crazy. This is exactly what they give. This. That's it. So like, yeah. Yeah, hold on a second. All right, I'm back. So I just threw on my latest combo preference, which is a brown line under and the regular black liner on my waterline and a tiny wing. If I wanted to, I could intensify this look so much. I could take this $1.25 palette to the next level easily. Remember, I didn't put down any primer, any, you know, concealer on the lid, anything. And we know those things make things pop even more. But I like this soft the way it is. I really do. I was also able to grab another shade of the blush. Oh no, I think I got this the first time. Gorgeous. And this is a little brighter. I was using the other one every day also. I don't know where I put that one. I don't remember. I think that other one was something, I don't know, something cozy. Stop jumping off of stuff. And these look at that. It's really good colors. And the first one packed a punch, so I'm not going to, see just a little tap. I'm not gonna go too hard because yeah, I know I have blush blindness and I will look like I got punched in the face. And I'm just doing lightly, but definitely look at that. You can build it up easily. Sorry, someone's calling. And look at that. This without, this without. I like to just blend a little bit because you don't want to look too crazy. And I think that is so nice. So nice. A little more intensity here for me. And when I go overboard, as I definitely will, I always go back in with whatever I use for my foundation and use whatever is left to fix. Smooth it out. Now, I did see that there's some Patrick Todd dupes, also by, was it by L.A Colors? Yes. And I am on the hunt for those. And the dupes are for the contour and the highlight duos that he has. And from what I saw, they look like they are going to be amazing also. But I would like to get my hands on it, so I've tried it myself. I do have the actual Patrick Todd duos for the eyes. I was one of those people who spent $42. I think I got like 3 or 4 of them. But I really do like them, so I'm not, you know, ashamed of my purchase. But if I can get the contour and the highlight duos for the low, I'm gonna do that. So I think I might venture out today and go like 2 towns over to the other Dollar Trees because I have, how many Dollar Trees in my town? 2. And yeah, they didn't have. So I'm gonna try the lip liner in the shade, the Fearless one. Let's see if it looks like exactly, because you know, sometimes these pencils, the shade will look one way on the pencil and on the cap, and then when you actually swatch it, it's something different. So let's see. It looks pretty much the same. Can you see? I'm asking you like you're gonna respond. Let's see it. It feels nice. Definitely not mad for $1.25. I'm just gonna, oh, I like this color. This is like pretty much, it's like the color of my lips, but better. And again, that's the one called Fearless. It's not like super soft, but it's not super stiff either. So I'm just gonna fill in my lips with it. It's like my lips, but better. It's a cute color. I wish I would have chosen a darker one, but this one is cute. And it doesn't feel weird. And of course, I did my lip prep, which is always important because no matter what lip product you're wearing, you need to like have some type of moisturizer down. If you know me, you know I'm all about the Glamorous Addictions lip conditioner, because I swear as soon as it touches your lips, it's like, what is that? In the best way possible. Glamorous Addiction. So yeah, I want to throw on a gloss. I have one of the lip glosses that came with this set, but it's in my car and I don't want to go there right now. It's cold outside. Let me grab a different gloss so we can finish this look. So I went and grabbed my favorite highlighter of all time, which is Trophy Wife by Fenty. From the time this came out, this has been my jam. Like, I have quite a few highlighters, but this is still the reigning champ for me. And as you can see why, that was just a little. And I think since it came out, when it came out, 2017, I've had, I think this is like my third one, which is a lot because it takes a long time to like go through highlighter. So that should let you know how much I love her. And to top off my lip, I just grabbed this NYX Lip IV, and this is in the color Ready, Set, Wet. Whatever. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit, but it's darker than the lip liner. Why did I go all the way over here? Just to add just a little something. I said a little bit and then I used the regular amount. But yeah. And just for an everyday look, you know, when you're not doing the, the contour and the bronzing and the this and that, like this is so everyday friendly. And you can make it, nighttime special occasion friendly. I didn't do the concealer under my eyes. I didn't powder and bake and all that stuff. For my base, I think I forgot to tell you guys today, for my base, I use the Superstay, the Maybelline Superstay, the 30-hour one, this one. Because I am, again, out of the L'Oreal Skin Ink. And while I love the product, I'm pretty annoyed that in 3 months, I finished 2 of them. And I only wear makeup when I'm working. And the way my work days work, basically, I've worn it, each tube would last me like a month, and that's not enough for me. So I need them to give more product in a bigger package, or I'm just gonna stick with my other stuff. I'm like boycotting a little bit. Like, it's good, but it's not like, I don't want to keep spending $15 every month. I just don't. So, but here's a finished look. Yeah, for every day, this is it. I'm good. I feel beautiful. I don't feel like I'm wearing cheap products or anything like that. It's gonna last. I know that. So yeah, get over to your Dollar Tree. And if you want to see me try these eyeshadow crayons, let me know in the comments below and I will get that done for you. I will definitely get that done for you because I care. I definitely do. And I also have some other products, but you'll see those later. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Head to Dollar Tree, get that fall collection. It's so cute. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.